Hello, my friend Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and today's release is a little different because you might have seen one or two of these items. In fact, you might even have one or two of these items, but you know what? A lot of you don't. So to a lot of you, they're brand new. Are you ready? Absolutely, positively, my dad's favorite is the Sitting Corgi Fold It. Look at how cute this guy is. I took this on HSN a few years ago and it was sold out. It's awesome. Finally was able to get it on our website. Now, not to be confused with, let me show it to you, not to be confused with the standing Corgi. We have that on the website. This is a sitting Corgi, and don't worry you guys, I have lots of samples, but let me just show you one really quick. There he is, boom. So this is the sitting, that's brand new on the website today. This is the standing that has been on the website. So now you can have friends, Corgi friends. Our lemon Corgi loves it. I know, my dad's Corgi loves it. Now, also on the website for the re-release is the Lively Flip It card die set. I absolutely love this die set because you know what? Cards go together instantly. Instantly. So easy peasy. 30-second card right here. Let me just tell you, love this one. And we have another item. Now I had released this with the other company, so check your stash, but you know what? Chances are it's new to you. This item is really awesome. If you have my A2 Fold It card die set, which is so amazing, or if you have any of my stand-up cards, these are awesome, or even a regular card die, these are awesome. This one is a gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous looking, I want to say spirograph kind of look. Look at that, you guys. Look at the pink. Isn't that stunning? That's just one of the dies in this set. The other die is a heart. And let me just tell you how gorgeous that one is as well. Look, you're getting both of those in this set. So beautiful. Just keep in mind, these are very intricate dies. Highly recommend the Gemini on this machine, on this one. If you don't have an electric machine, definitely recommend running it through at least 2 or 3 times because it is so intricate, especially that spirograph looking one. Now look at how gorgeous this is. Look at that. This is actually on a stand-up card, or just a folded card. Look at this. Open that up and you can have it right there. Happy birthday. So you can just make it look like little swirls if you want to instead of hearts if you turn it sideways. Love it. Look at this one. Ready? This is our 3D pop-up. Open it up. Happy birthday with the panels on the side. Don't you love that? And look at that. Isn't that fun? It's like literally 3D. Now, not to be outdone, there's one more item. I have more panels. This one is You Are Beautiful and Life is Sweet with a flower border at the bottom. So lots of samples to show you. Jump in. Here we go. Here is a cute one with that cute little Corgi sitting with our 5x7 tree. Now keep in mind the A2 Corgi is going to be 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. It will fit in a standard card envelope, right? Now look at this one. This one went crazy. I'm telling you guys, everybody loves Corgis. They're like the popular dog and you can do so much with this one. And of course, you all know about Lemon, my dad's Corgi. I call Lemon my dad's Corgi because my dad loves that dog. Woo, let me tell you. But it originally lived with Kirsten, our daughter. But then you know what? God gave her twins. And her whole life changed. So my dad got that dog and he kept it. He said, I'll just keep it for a week. My mom and dad love that dog. They said, we'll take care of that Lemon for a week. And guess what? 2 years later, they still have Lemon and they're not giving her back. Look how cute that is. So whenever I see these Corgis, I think of Lemon. Now let's look at those Flip-Its. Are you guys? If you're new to Flip-Its, this is the best one to start with. If you're not new to Flip-Its, this is a great one to add to your collection. But look at this, hello. It does come with the hello die. Yes, it does. Isn't that awesome? Here's another one. Here's another hello. Ooh, with our big flowers. I love our big flowers. Hello. I'm so thankful to have you as my friend. Here's, oh, we got a lot of these. Look at this. Here's another one. Hello. Oops, open up, sorry, I'm trying to do it. Okay, hello, open it up. Cute little whale. Here's a cute birdie one. Hello, happy birthday to you. You're my favorite old bird. That's awesome. I love that one. Here's a cute one. Hello. Open it up. Yes, you can do dun, 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 the hidden panel. If you've never done the hidden panel technique, make sure you go to our website, type in hidden panel in the video section to search, and it will come up and you'll get to see it and you'll love it. Now, let's look at some of those borders. Ready? Here's this gorgeous one. I showed this as a sneak peek when the Hugs and Kisses came out, but look at that. Now, this was done on an A2 size card, and you just run it through with that one cut, with the one die. Now, heads up, 7-Up, you guys. If you want it to cut out all the way, you're gonna use both dies with the hearts. If you want just the hearts to cut out, you're not gonna use the border, the outside die. You're just gonna use the inside die, run it through your machine, and it will cut it out like this so it stays in your card. Add some red on the back, and look at that. Isn't that stunning? Now here's a cute one. Remember that the gatefold card I told you about? Here we go. They fit perfect on the gatefold. Open it up, thank you, and you can write your message. They also fit very well on our bookmark too, just a heads up. Here's another one. Look at how gorgeous this is. This is using the gatefold peekaboo, a little bit different, the gatefold peekaboo. Open it up. Isn't that beautiful? Congratulations on your wedding. So pretty. I absolutely love that. Ooh, and you could do, oh, what? Oh, little secret. Today we celebrate the best decision you ever made. Look at that. Isn't that cute? Thank you, Michelle. That's adorable. Oh, let me get back in there. There we go. Isn't that cute? I love that. Get that back in there. Yeah. And see how those little extra notches, oh, can you see that on camera? There you go. See those cute little extra notches? This is from the Gatefold Peekaboo set. Now, you can also do those on, that flower popped off. You can also do these on the stand-up cards. Ready? This pops up, you are sweet, and it pops up, you are beautiful. And these are so fun because they stand up for display, which is really fun. Here's another one, smile, you are beautiful. Open it up. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Let your dreams be your wings. Here's a fun one on half of a gatefold card. Life is sweet. Happy anniversary. Isn't that gorgeous? So different and so fun, you guys. Life is sweet. Open it up. Happy, oh, buzzing by to say, don't worry, be happy. And then it stands up. Isn't that cute? Both of them right there. Look at that. Here's another cute one with our little gnomies. Look at that. You are beautiful, my friend. Oh, and that's on our decal edge card, so you could just drop it in on the inside. Isn't that beautiful? Club members, you know the deal. You're getting a club discount. As long as you're a club member, you're getting 15 to 20% off every single item on our website, as long as you're a club member. Is it just for your first order? Oh, no. It's for your first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. It's for every order you place on our website, as long as you're a club member. But what if an item is on flash sale and you're a club member? Yes. Not only do you not pay the regular price, then you get the flash sale price, then you get the club discount price. So you're getting extra discounts. It's so amazing. If you're not a club member, you know what? You could be a club member for as little as $13.99 a month, and that includes a stamp set sent to you automatically each month. Wait, what? A brand new 4x6 stamp set made in the USA, highest quality photopolymer, sent to you automatically each month for $13.99 a month, plus tax if we have to pay it, plus tax. That's no extra shipping, no other anything. You get a stamp set, you get 15% off my entire website. It's like a sale every single day. You get to earn club points. If you stay in a full year on your anniversary month, you get a gift certificate for $15 to my website. And you get freebie gifts for joining. And every couple months, you know what? We send out freebies as well. What? Are you kidding me? It's the best deal in town. Go to our website, click join the club, just watch the video. I just want you to see how awesome it is because you know what? You're gonna love it. Thanks so much and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.